effective way. So we experience that music has no barriers of any sort because it touches the ultimate Chaitanya or the soul. So that's universal. And next is spiritual. Spiritual is, it is related to the science of soul. Definitely because it caters to the needs of spirituality, it covers all other gamuts of psychological, social and physical this thing. So spirituality is the ultimate science of, in universe I can say. When music caters to that need, all other needs are taken care of. So then I is identification of the self with Nada. So an artist or a musician, when he sings or she sings or when he plays, he will become one with the vibrations, which is the ultimate. It has got 100% involvement, it has got meditative effect, and the total participation and the total involvement makes them to get elevated to a particular level of consciousness without their knowledge. So, impact of music improves concentration, improves positivity, improves memory, and so many other things happen unaware of the artist. Because we take long breath, it becomes pranayama. We need not sit for meditation because when we sing with total dedication, total involvement, it becomes meditation. So, this wonderful effect music has, that is when I identify myself with the nada, that is the vibration, that effect it will have. Undoubtedly, music is creative. No two musicians can sing or can play alike. Each depends upon their level of creativity, and it brings calmness and serenity of mind. So this concept of definition of music covers almost whatever other points I'm going to highlight. Through musical discourse, it will cover all other elements. Now, to begin with, I'm going to present few compositions of Purandara Dasa. Dasa Sahitya is one of the best, most effective means of devotional music in a very, very simple way. The essence of Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, Vedas, all the essence Dasas have given to the common man in a very, very simple language, in an understandable way. In the first composition I am going to present is Manava Janma Doddedu. Ida Hani Madalu Vedi Huchappagalira. Kandu Kai Kal Kivi Nalage Iralikke Mandu Mukki Madalagovare. I'll sing and I'll explain the meaning in English also. Hendu Mandigagi Hariya Namamrita Unnade Upavasa Iruvare Nodi. Kalana Dutaru Kal Pididelevaga Taadu Talendare Taduvare. Dali Bharata Munna Dharmava Gadisiro Sullina Samsara Sulige Silukalu Bedi. ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಯದುಪತಿಯನ್ನು ಮರೆತಿರಿ ಧನ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಸತಿಸುತರು ಕಾಯುವರೆ ಇನ್ನಾದರೂ ಏಕೋಭಾವದಿ ಭಜಿಸಿರೋ ಚೆನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ